Hello students, in this video I will be solving exercise 5.2 question number 10, 11 and 12. So first number 10, the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. The 17th term of an AP, that is A17, is exceeds. That means you get the 17th term of the AP when you add 7 to the 10th term. When you add 7 to the 10th term, then you get the 17th term of the AP. You are to find the common difference of the AP. So first let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Now A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. You get the 17th term of the AP when you add 7 to the 10th term. Now A17 minus A10 equal to 7. Now what is A17? A17 is A plus 16D and A10 is A plus 9D equal to 7. A plus 16D minus A plus minus 9D equal to 7. Plus A minus A will be cancelled. 16 minus 9 is 7D equal to 7. So the common difference D is equal to 7 divided by 7, that is 1. That means the common difference of the AP is 1. So now number 11, which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be, here is an AP given, which term you are to say the term when you add 132 with 54th term. You are to add 132 with 54th number term, then the result, the final result, you are to say which term of this. Okay. So first you let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Now what is A here? A is 3 and D is 15 minus 3, that is 12. Now you are to find, first you have to find the value A54. What is the value of 54th number term? That is 54. A54 equal to A plus 53D, you will know. So first put the value A here 3, then 53 into 12. So 3 plus 12, 3 is 36, 6 carry 3. 12 5 is 60, carry 3, 63, that is 639. 636 plus 3, 639. Now you have to add 132 with the 54th number term. Now A54 plus 132 equal to 639 plus 132. If you add these two, then what you get? 9 plus 2 11, 4 plus 3 7, 1 plus 6 7, that is 771. This is the term, this is the number if you add 54 number term by 132. Now you are to tell that this 771 is which term. Okay, that means you have to find the value of n. So now write a nth, a n equal to 771. So a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 771. Okay. So a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 12 equal to 771. So 12 into n, 12n minus 12 equal to 771 plus minus 3. So now 12n equal to 768 because 71 minus 3 is 68. Now this 12 will be added to 761 because it is in the left hand side. So 12n equal to 8 plus 2 10, 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8, so 780. So the n will be 780 divided by 2. 7 6 are 72 and 6, so 7 5s are 60. So n equal to 65. That means 65 number term will you get when you add 54th number term by 132, you get the 65th number. So now number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. Here two AP which have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. There the difference between the 100th term of these two AP is 100, and the difference between, you are to find the difference between their 1000th number term. Okay. So first let A1 be the first term of first AP and B1 be the first term of second AP. Here two AP is there, that's why I let the A1 for the first term of the AP, first AP, and B1 is the first term of second AP. Now difference between their 100th term, for difference between 100th term is 100. That means A 100 minus B 100 is equal to 100. Difference between 100th term is 100. That means difference of these two AP of, that is, this is A 100 will be the 100th term for the first AP and B 100 will be the 100th term for the second AP, and their difference is 100. So I write 100. Now A 100 means A plus 99D minus B plus 99D equal to 100. So A plus 99D minus B minus 99D equal to 100. So plus 99 minus 99 will be cancelled and you get A minus B equal to 100. Now you are to find the difference between their 1000th term. That means A 1000 minus B 1000. You are to find this A 1000 minus the difference between 1000 term and the 1000 term of the first AP and the 1000 term of the second AP. So A plus, here 1000 minus 1 is 999D minus, don't give implies here, B minus 999D. So A minus 999D minus B minus into minus plus 999D. So plus 999 minus 999 will be cancelled and A minus B, you get only A minus B, and you get that A minus B equal to 100. That means you can write here 100 from equation 1. So the difference between 1000 term of the first AP and the 1000 term of the second AP is 100, and this is your answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.